In light of the prolonged marine heatwave and sustainability concerns in the Shark Bay managed prawn fishery, the Australian government has progressively implemented effort restrictions, culminating in a 50% effort reduction, resulting in the group impairing 5 surplus vessels and goodwill in amounts of 47 million rand and 151 million rand respectively. With market conditions in Hong Kong and China continuing to suppress abalone pricing and demand, and in an effort to balance supply with demand, the group has mothballed the Kleinzee farm with the Whale Rock farm to follow in 2026, resulting in a 153 million rand goodwill impairment in the segment. The Ladysmith disposal is expected to result in a book loss on sale of 134 million rand as a result of the proceeds being less than the carrying value. Finally, from a capital allocation perspective, the group continues to consolidate. Organically, the group will pursue efficiency projects and organic growth opportunities that deliver required returns and ultimately long-term value from our shareholders. The significant focus on the capital structure, as set out by Felix in our revised strategy at the beginning of 2025, continues, with a target set to reduce net debt by 50% over 3 years through non-core asset disposals, maximizing our free cash flow generation and determined cost reductions. A strong balance sheet will support improved dividends in the future. The group continues reinvesting in the business, modernizing our fleet, seeking efficiencies in our factories, recruiting and retaining increasingly scarce skills, and further diversifying our markets. Balancing optimal capital levels to support the business remains a focus, with the Australian and pelagics business more seasonal than our historic hake business.